is the treatment plant running all of the time?
Okay, again, something to clarify. I think our systems work being an SBR technology, so Seeker's battery reactor technology versus our other competitor systems. With wastewater treatment plants, you generally have power being supplied to the treatment plants all of the time. Depending on the operation and how the treatment plant works, you may have it doing slightly different things. With our systems, we talk about the biological process in terms of being interval based. So we are supplying power to the control technology all of the time, but that control technology, the system control panel, is sending power to the compressor and the valves at different times during the day, so we can really control what's going on inside the system. So this typically, I suppose, is generally about 12 hours a day in total in terms of the running operation of the compressor, which is quite a considerable difference when we compare this to competitor systems, which could be running the compressor for 24/7. So again, we've mentioned that running of small domestic compressors is very minimal low energy, so you may not see that much difference. But if you are extremely concerned about energy consumption, just know that an SBR will run the system much less. So if you want to try and save some pennies there, an SBR is a good option to have. With the running technology of an SBR, of course, it's important to know that we've got airlifts within the tank. So we've got an airlift basically charging water between chambers. We've got intermittent aeration, depending on whether we're doing the aeration process for the breakdown of the organic material, or whether we're looking at the nitrification for the breakdown of the nitrates and nitrites. So there is quite a lot of understanding that needs to and it needs to be appreciated in terms of the biological process from the treatment plant and how and why the system needs to run, the operation needs to run. We sometimes get questions from customers saying, "Oh, can I turn it off during the night?" That's generally a bit of a no-no. We need that biological process to happen all of the time. So when we're talking potentially about the installation of the system, if you're worried about the noise of the vibration of the compressor, you want to have that potentially in an area where it's not going to disturb you or your neighbours. So just something to bear in mind when you are looking to implement a wastewater treatment system, just something to be aware of.